Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Pokemon Go. This Pokemon Go for free on iOS hack mode APK. So you have to go to Safari, search Ice Poofer for Pogo, then Go. Then you scroll down. Scroll down. Then you see this www.reddit.com. You click that. This opens up. You press on the continue button. Then go down. First link. Click on that. You need to press on this install now. I'm not pressing on the install now because I already have that. Then you go back. After it's installed, you go to settings and then scroll up, go to general and go to profile and device management. You can see Beijing, Shenyang, Lian. So you just on the top here it will say trust, so you need to click trust and then click trust. It will pop up and you need to click trust. Then you go back. You can play your Pokemon Go now. So if you open it, I'll show you. Yeah, you got your joystick, your GPS. You have the joystick here, the map, Wi-Fi, this stuff, all this stuff.